Hi everyone, my name is Nicole and I am here to do another experiment with you again. We're going to do a lava lamp experiment. So first you need some water, then you need some vegetable oil, then you need a glass to do the experiment in, some Alka-Seltzer tablets, and some food coloring. It could be any coloring that you want, it doesn't matter. Next, you're going to pour a bit of water into the glass. It doesn't have to be too much. Then you're going to take whatever food coloring you want and put it in the glass. Then you'll want to mix it all up. Just around 3 drops will do. After that, put the oil over top of the water. It doesn't matter how much oil you have, just as long as it's the same amount or a bit more than the amount of water. After that, you're going to take the Alka-Seltzer tablet and break it into about 4 small pieces, then drop it into the glass and watch the reaction happen. And that's it. That's the whole experiment. Thank you for watching.